You could be wearing a $500 outfit and still look cheap. Not because of your budget, but because of 5 invisible mistakes that 90% of men make every single day. And mistake number 3, I guarantee you're making it right now. And at FitFX, we don't do average style. We build men who walk into a room and own it, without saying a single word. Today, I'm giving you the 5 mistakes that are quietly destroying your image every time you leave the house. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1, and this one genuinely hurts to say: visible logos. Here's the truth no brand wants you to hear. Rich men don't advertise for free. When you wear a huge logo across your chest, you're not saying, I have money. You're saying, I need people to think I have money. And people feel that difference. They always do. Old money men wear plain fabrics, quiet colors, 0 logos. Because when your clothes fit right and your posture is right, you don't need a logo to tell people who you are. Go neutral, go clean, go logo-free. Mistake number 2. This one kills even the best outfits. The wrong shoes. Here's a rule every high-value man knows. People judge your entire outfit by your shoes first. Chunky sneakers with tailored trousers? You just destroyed the look. Worn-out shoes with a clean shirt? Same result. Your shoes tell people how much you pay attention to details, and details are everything. The fix is simple. Own just 3 pairs. White clean sneakers, brown loafers, white or beige canvas. These 3 will carry 90% of your outfits to a completely different level. Okay, mistake number 3, the one I promised you. And yes, I'm almost certain you're making it right now. Wearing clothes that don't fit your body. Too baggy? You look sloppy. Too tight? You look like you're trying too hard. Fit is not about your size. Fit is about how the fabric follows the natural lines of your body. The shoulder seam should sit exactly at the edge of your shoulder. The trouser should break once, just once, at the top of your shoe. No more, no less. You could buy a $20 shirt from any store, and with the right fit, it will look like it costs 10 times more. Fit is free. Use it. Mistake number 4, too many colors. This is the fastest way to look like you got dressed, in the dark. The men who always look expensive, they follow one simple rule. No outfit should have more than 3 colors, and ideally, 2 of them are neutrals. White, beige, cream, camel, navy, olive. These colors don't fight each other. They work together. They create harmony. And harmony always reads as elegance, every single time. And the final mistake, the one that separates the boys from the men. Cheap accessories. A plastic belt, a fake leather watch, a thin chain that turned green last week. Here's what nobody tells you. Accessories are the last thing people look at, but the first thing they remember. You don't need expensive accessories. You need the right ones. A simple leather belt that matches your shoes. A clean, minimalist watch, even a $30 one. Nothing else. Less is always more, and more is always cheap. 5 mistakes, 5 fixes, 0 excuses. If this video changed the way you see style, subscribe. Because next week, I'm showing you exactly how to build a complete old money wardrobe for under $200. You don't want to miss that. I'll see you there.